Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Christina Uzuh. If you're a new subscriber, I'm glad you're here. Please turn on your notification and please subscribe to my channel. If you're no subscriber, I genuinely appreciate all your support and you've been giving to my channel. I appreciate it and I say thank you. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make flyers or labels for your different businesses. As a small business owner, I know it can be very stressful, time consuming and income consuming as well. So if you're a small business owner, we have a lot of challenges and maybe you might need to save costs and DIY a lot of things by yourself, and this is one of them. Making this is very easy, and now that we have smartphones and everything, you can do it on your own with the help of the internet, and you can just go and print it out. So in this video, I have a tutorial video. In this tutorial video, you're going to learn how to make your own label, how to DIY it by yourself, save cost and increase productivity. Let's get right into the video. To get the perfect label, the first thing I do is to go to a browser, download an image that you would like to use. Like in this video, I downloaded a plate image because I was making a label for soap. Then you go on to remove background or remove BG. You can get the application or you can just do it on their website, and you remove the background of the image. So this is very helpful, so that your image is plain without a background and you can place it on any background that you choose to use. The next thing you do is to go to your application for the logo or for the flyer, and I use MAkE. You can use any other any other logo maker like that. You can see the templates here are actually pro. You have to pay for it. You have to pay for it, monthly subscription. And if you don't want to do that, you just go to a default size for logos and you choose a background that you like. In this one, I chose a yellow background because I wanted something very sharp and attractive. You might be asked to watch ads because you are actually using it for free. The next thing you use is to start typing in the keywords that you want to use. Here I typed out lavera. You can change the colors of your images. You can change the colors of the letters you're writing. Yeah, I decided to pick another very attractive color, and then you just keep writing. Then you can there's a place for add image. You can now go to your gallery and pick out that image that you've removed the background and place it onto the label, and the label is already looking very attractive. These are things that actually you can do by yourself. You don't need to pay people to do it for you. And I learned this because it's a way to save cost. If you are a small business owner, it's going to be very helpful for you. So yeah, I continue to type in words and type in letters that I want to appear on my logo, that I want to appear on my flyer, and I place it, reduce the size, change the colors, and just make it suitable for the size of the logo. Ignore the notification pop-up on my phone. That was my phone when I was trying to make this logo. And then I keep typing in keywords with colors that I want and arrangements that I prefer. You can see the logo is quite beautiful. The logo is looking great already. And then this doesn't stop here. The keywords are being typed in, and it's amazing how attractive this looks. You can just go onto places that you want. You can just go onto the system and then print it out. You can either print it out with a glue, or you can just apply the glue right on top before placing it onto your products. This is really something that helped me out, something that continuously saves cost for me, and I hope it does for you too. Just get down to it, get it running, get it out, print it out. You can even print it out on your own. You can save it. You'll be asked to watch an ad on the apps because you're actually using it for free, and then when you're done, you just save it, and that's all. I hope you enjoy it. That's all. So there are two ways you can make your label after the design. When you're printing, you can either just make it plain and then you apply glue and then you apply it onto the product. I don't really advise that because I don't like it. There's a way you can tell the printer is going to make it like this one, where it already has the glue. You just peel this part off and you can just apply it with the glue on it, as you can see. But if you don't want this, if this is expensive, if you don't have the resources, you can just print it out straight and you just apply your own glue and then onto the product. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope it was helpful for you. I would really appreciate it if you can make yours, make your own labels, make your own flyers, and just send it to my Instagram, DM it to my Instagram. I'll leave the link down below in my description box. You can send it, let me see what you made. I know this is very helpful. You can just go and print it out and you just pay only for the printing and not the design. It's a saving cost and you're making more money while you're at it. That is what I am all about. DIY, like DIY that actually pays, DIY that actually saves time, saves cost, and increases productivity. Until next time, guys, I love you all. Bye.